Within Business Central, let's go to the top right hand corner, clicking Settings and My Settings. Here you can see a lot of settings that have to do with how your role will operate. Your role determines the look, feel and menus. The company is the trading entity that you are currently wanting to operate within. The work date lets you set the system work date for use of the system. This is not broadly approved for all users, generally for the finance team when handling end-of-month transactions. The region sets your date format, sets the currency. The language sets the language translation. For example, English Australian will change VAT to GST. Time zone is how time is translated. Notifications allow you to set the notifications you wish to be notified about. A new feature from Microsoft allows you to enable teaching tips, which will pop up with tips on how to use certain functions within the system as you work through your workflow. Files automatically selects My OneDrive for this Office 365 user. Security tells us the last time we were logged in.